People do often ask me, what do you see on sportsmen? I said, I don't see for talent, I see for the commitment. Committed people will reach on top, not talented people. But if you have a talent and commitment, you do become like her, like Sachin Tendulkar, like Virat Kohli, Sunil Gavaskar is important. I will just give you an example of that. I believe Vinod Kamli was as talented as Sachin Tendulkar. But if you are not committed and you don't see your journey, you will not reach anywhere. And it's important. I don't come here to give lecture, but I want to tell all the kids, don't try to copy anybody. Try to find a passion within yourself. A duplicate cannot be better than original. And try to original. Be original. And that's the key of success.